Hello, Matt with Fox Valley Plumbing here. Today we're talking about the brand of sump pumps we prefer to use. We use Zoeller. This is a M98 half horsepower, M53 third horsepower. Both of these pumps have a 3-year warranty, all cast iron construction. The half horsepower is approximately 60 gallons per minute. The third horsepower is approximately 40 gallons per minute. So as the rainy season comes upon us in the Chicagoland area, it's very important to make sure your sump pump is in good working condition. Also, if you have a loud banging in the pipes when the sump pump turns off, you're in need of a new check valve. These check valves right here are the ones that we use. They are glue type. You want to avoid the ones that have the rubber connectors on them. They become loose over time and leak. This one is a quiet closing check valve, has a spring inside of it to help damper when it shuts. So if you need a service like this one in your home, look us up on the web at foxvalleyplumbing.com.